Okay, we will find the greatest common factor or GCF of each term in 4x squared and 8x. Unahin muna natin si 4x squared. So, 4x squared, that is, si factor natin yan si 4 una, si 2 times 2. And then, merong dalawang x times x. Okay, next, we have 8x. So, ang factor ng 8x, 2 times 2 equals 4, diba? Times 2. So, meron tatlong 2. Then, isang x times x. So, kunin natin yung common ng dalawa. So, merong 2, merong 2, at saka isang x. So, therefore, yung greatest common factor is equal to 2 times 2 times x, di ba? Itong 2 na yan, yung common nila, another common na 2, then common na x. So, equals 2 times 2, 4 times x is 4x. Bye-bye.